Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. For those of you that have just come onto my channel or have stumbled onto my channel by accident, thank you so much for checking me out and a very warm welcome. And for those of you that have already followed me and are already subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. I really do appreciate it, and I honestly mean that, so thank you. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick update of where I am with my 3K in just 31 days challenge. I know it's been quite a while since I've shot a video, so yeah, I thought I'd do this quick video really to let you know of exactly where I am. Now, for those of you that are new to my channel, what I've done is that I've set myself a massive task of generating 3K in just 31 days. But where the real challenge is make sure that any money I do generate is going to be online. So in order to help do that, what I've done is researched into various different ways, strategies and methods of generating money online and put them into practice. So I thought I'd quickly just give you a little brief summary of what I've done, what I've implemented and where I am. So right now I've basically implemented my buying and selling online, and that's using various different platforms like eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Gumtree. For those of you in the UK will be familiar with that, but for those of you in the US will be more familiar with Craigslist. That's our equivalent. So I'm doing a little bit of buying and selling. So that's one method that I'm using to generate money online. The other method is by drop shipping, and for those of you that don't know what drop shipping is, make sure you check out the video on my channel. I dedicate a whole video to that. I'm also doing some affiliate marketing, also a great way of generating passive income. Again, for those of you that don't know what affiliate marketing, make sure you check out my video. Got a whole host of videos dedicated to that area. I am also offering my services as a contractor stroke freelancer. Actually just today I've already shot a video about it, but I actually had someone contact me through this website that I registered with, interested in my services, and if all goes well, then potentially this job is worth to me £3,700 for just 10 days worth of work. That is massive. So, you know, keep your fingers crossed. I've already shot a video about that, so if you haven't already checked it out, make sure you do. I'll give you details on the website that I registered with, and give you a bit more, and I've given a bit more details in terms of, you know, how I hope to get that money. So yeah, so that's very exciting. What else? I've also opened my own Shopify store, and I've done that in various different ways. So again, make sure you check out my video. And I've also done another website store, not Shopify, but it's more to do with affiliate links. But again, if you want to check that out, make sure you check out my video. I'll put the link down in the description. But as you can see, I've been a very busy guy, and you know, one of these methods, or at least a couple of these methods, is definitely going to help generate regular passive income. That's the plan. But as you can see, I've been very busy. What I'm hoping to do now is really just keep all those different strategies and methods ticking over. But yeah, guys, it is, you know, it's been an exciting journey. Like I said, I want to be totally transparent, so the next financial update I'm hoping to give you by the weekend, I'm hoping, so you know exactly where I am and how close I am, or how far I am from my target. But it's definitely been exciting so far. Like I said, I've learned a hell of a lot. And yeah, if you guys want to know more about my journey, or want to know about the different ways that I've used, and want to know a bit more details about those methods, then make sure you leave a comment down below. And also make sure, if you love this video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. But most importantly, make sure you hit that bell icon, that notifications button, so that every time that I put a video out there, you will be notified as and when it happens. So guys, I hope you liked this video. It was a way of an update, and I will hopefully see you on my next video. Take care guys, and have a wonderful day.